Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on issuing a job to production in ManuDyn Cloud 9. To open the job issue routine, click on the scheduling menu group and then click the job issue menu item. The job issue screen is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn in that there is a blue toolbar at the top of the content area where we can enter the record we wish to work with. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the job number that we want to issue to production. Alternatively, we can click on the Lookup Search button to select the job from the list of jobs that have not started production. Double-click the required job number to start the issue process. At the top of the tab, the quantity to be made is entered. If you change this quantity, you can click the Refresh Material button to change the two issue quantities in the grid below. The date of this job issue is indicated at the top right of the grid. The materials required for this job have been loaded into the grid, which displays the following details for each material item: the quantity issued and to be issued to this job, the store that the issued quantity will be taken from, the quantity currently in stock, the total quantity on order, the total quantity committed, and the status of the item based on these quantities. If you don't want to issue a particular material to the job, then just uncheck the box at the beginning of the material row. In my case, I'm going to leave this box checked. You can also alter the quantity of the material to be issued by clicking the To Issue cell, and if you have multiple stores, you can click on the store name to select the store you wish to remove materials from for this job. To issue the job to production and allocate the materials to the job, click the Issue button at the bottom of the tab. There are two special situations we need to look at regarding job issue. The first is issuing jobs where there is no items in its bill of material, and the second is where there is insufficient stock available to cover the job issue. If you select the job that has no items in its bill of material, you can and should still issue it to production, as the action of job issue places the job onto the dynamic schedules. If the job also has no processes in its routing, then issuing the job will finalize it, and the finished goods will be placed in stock. If we now select the job that has insufficient stock on hand to cover the issue, the system will still let you issue it. You will have to click the box at the start of the material item grid to force the job issue. All of the material commitments for the job will be relieved as a result of the issue, and if you have the Relieve Stock at Job Issue setting activated, the quantity in stock for the material item will go negative. This is standard MRP operational practice. When the goods are eventually received into stock, the quantity in stock figure will be reset to 0, or the balance of the goods received once the negative stock quantity is taken into account. If you do not have the Relieve Stock at Job Issue setting activated, then you will have to do a stores issue once the goods have been received into stock, recording the job cost assignment. We will look at this in another video tutorial. Once you are finished issuing jobs to production, you can return to the home page by clicking on the home icon at the top left of the screen, or by clicking on the exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will record job progress. Click on the link to start the next video.